welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. Again, this is a pre-recorded Vlogmas. You're gonna see a Trunk Club unboxing and try on today. I hope you enjoyed the Stitch Fix one yesterday. The next vlog you should not be pre-recorded. I've got some really fun stuff going on, but due to some stuff going on, if you haven't seen my other videos, I'm out. I'm gonna say out of town, but I am helping a friend with her children for the next few days, and so just because of that and caring for kids, it's really hard for me to vlog with them because I wouldn't put them in the vlog. But yeah, so that's the reason why, but still good content. And 13, can you see it? I'm gonna move you guys. 13 is ginormous. Like, the big ones give me all the feels. I can't believe I'm opening up day 13. Look how crazy is that? Stop! Oh, it's a good one. This is fun. One of my favorite makeup brushes is a Sigma, and they gave you the brush cleaner, and I love this one. It's one of their obviously it's a smaller one. It's a mini size. But what's really cool about this is that I actually use these, especially for how to get this, my denser brushes. I really like to make sure I get in a deep clean, because like foundation brushes and stuff, like there can be a lot of like stuff really like in your brush, and so these are really nice to really get in there and make sure it's all clean. But look, suction cups. Typically I sit at my coffee table and I just get a bowl of water and a cleanser and then scrub and then kind of change out the water, so I'm not just like standing at my sink, which is super boring. But this would even can suction onto the glass, and so to the glass bowl, and you can clean it, and it would do really well in your sink if that's where you clean your brushes. You put it on the sink, and then you have a place to kind of swish it so you don't have to hold it. So I just think that's pretty genius. And it's considered a deluxe sample because they pretty much think the bath mat or the cleaning mat is pretty big, but this is a great size. Like, I'm gonna get a lot of use out of that, and I just love Sigma. Their brushes are so good. So anyway, that's it. And again, you are getting to see my Trunk Club video, so I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. I have this huge giant Trunk Club unboxing and try on. All right, so let's dig into this Trunk Club. If you're not familiar with Trunk Club, it's a Nordstrom company, and it's a subscription service that sends you clothes that you can find at Nordstrom.com or in store. That's kind of the cool thing about it. It is a $25 a month styling fee. By month, I mean every time you get a box, but you don't have to get it monthly. You get a huge range of pieces. Typically, I get about 12 to 14 pieces. And the cool thing about it is that with your stylist, mine's Lucy, she's awesome. You get to actually have like an actual text message through the app. So you talk and you tell her exactly what you want, and she sends you a preview. So with that preview, you can then decide if you want an item to be shipped or if you don't want certain items to be shipped. And then you have the opportunity to replace the items that you didn't want with new pieces. Now, you don't get to preview those, so you'll just send them. But it's such a cool thing that you actually get to see and really look at your trunk before it gets sent. So like this month, she sent to trunk, and I wasn't probably as specific as I needed to be. And so when she had sent stuff, I was like, I don't like anything in that trunk. Can we start again? And she was like, sure, let's just clarify a few things, like what exactly are you looking for? And then she sent me an entire new trunk, and it definitely had pieces that I wanted to keep, and then there were pieces that I still didn't like, and she replaced them with new items. Now, the cool thing about Trunk Club is that if you have a Nordstrom's card, the styling fee is waived every single time. So I use my Nordstrom's card, so that's just really cool. So let's get in. If you're interested in Trunk Club, I'll leave all the information down below as well as the link. Okay, also in case case you're new, what I do is I go ahead and show you everything, tell you the price, give you my first impressions, and then I do a try on. Leave all of the information down below about what's in the box, so if you want to request it from your stylist or you want to go on Nordstrom's or Nordstrom.com and get the pieces, you surely can. Okay, so it's a big box. Okay, so I know there's quite a few shoes in here, but let's get in. As you can see, these 1, 2, and way down here. And way down here, there's 3 pairs of shoes. Okay, so the cool thing about also Trunk Club, because there's a lot of cool things about it, is that you throw everything back in the box that you got. They have a return address label. Then you schedule UPS pickup. You don't have to leave your house. Okay, so this month I received 11 items. So let's check out what I got. I'm gonna start with this big package. Oh, there's a lot of sweaters. Okay. This first one is this black and white. And sometimes it's hard for me to figure out what they are. Because... So this is the Dreamers Eyelash Chenille striped sweater, and this is $42. Now I received a Dreamers sweater in one of mine, and I think I actually bought another one on my own at Nordstrom's, and they're really soft. So here we go. Really soft. I feel like this is going to be too short on me, and I'm just not big on big stripes like that. So we will see. Next up, this could be super cozy. I ordered one that was really similar just not too long ago. It's a Teddy Faux Shearling quarter zip jacket in the color Rouge, and this is $69. I actually like this better than the one that I got. So this might be a little small because I like these oversized, but it's so soft. The great thing too about this, when you check out through the app and you don't like the color or the size, you can exchange it. You can exchange it. So that's really cool too. You have that option when you send things back, and then they'll just send you the new size or color. Okay, this is also, she sent me a bunch of soft stuff, and I really like soft stuff. The All in Favor. This is the All in Favor Eyelash Popcorn Sweater in Lavender. That's really funny that 2 things were called eyelash. Or did I read the wrong thing? No, 2 things were eyelash. Different flavors, different. It's not the same maker. But maybe that's what this detail is called. So this is cute. I mean, it's not anything I'm like, whoa, so we'll see. Okay, another sweater. This is the Dreamers by Debut Grandpa Cardigan, and this is $49. This popcorn sweater, I don't know if I said it was $48. So here we are. I don't have any sweaters like this. It's really heavy. I'm not like totally like love that. I also live in Southern California. It doesn't really get that cold, and so I try not to get too many sweaters, because the reality is I don't wear them very often. Like right now, like we have like a few days where it was cold, but it's like freaking 70 something. So I don't know. Okay, this is a beautiful color, and I think this is the BP ribbed funnel neck sweater. It's $49. I'm really into this like hunter green right now. So it's kind of like that mock turtleneck. Cute. A lot of these are short. I just don't look that good in short sweaters, so we'll see. Okay, next up, I don't know what this is. This is the BLANKNYC. Oh, the Drape front faux suede jacket, and it's $78. This is kind of cute. It's kind of like a really thin material. And I'm sure it opens up and then it's like drapey, I'm assuming. But I'm not really that impressed with that. I don't know. It could look better on. I'm going quickly through these. You guys will see them again when I try them on. Okay, I was really excited about this, but I don't know. When I look at this, it wasn't like the exact print that I thought it was going to be. This is the Cupcake and Cashmere Jordane printed camisole. It's $69. It could be really cute on. Like when I look at it on camera, it's a lot cuter. So maybe it's just in person. I was really looking forward to that. Super cute. Now I kept this, and I'm probably not gonna like this, but I thought I'd try it because, hey, trying to like step out of the box. This is the, I don't know. Let's check it out. Who is this by? It's BLANKNYC. Oh, Leopard Intarsia sweater. Like, you guys, this is so not me, but I thought I'd try it on. You just never know, right? So that's kind of cute. I like the colors, but I just don't see myself ever wearing it. Okay, I just dumped all these sweaters back in the box, and there's 3 pairs of shoes in there. Okay. One more, guys. Okay, so the first pair is the Steve Madden Trace R Crystal Mule, $79.95. Hate them, don't want to even try them on, but I will. This is just so not me. Look, they're beautiful. I would never wear these. Where am I gonna go? I don't know. Who knows? I might try them on and love them, but they're a little blingy for me. But like, they're stunning. If you like this kind of stuff, or gorgeous for the holidays. But I'm going to ugly sweater party for the holidays in Disneyland. Those are not going to be appropriate. Okay. Next are Treasure and Bond. I love Treasure and Bond shoes. And these are the Kalan Mule in black, and these are $69.95. These are actually really cute. I don't have anything like this, and they're a little edgy for me, but how cute are those? I think I might love these. We'll have to see. And then the last are by Halogen, and these are the Eva Jeweled Mule and dark gray suede, and these are $99.95. I'm getting like all jeweled up. These are actually kind of cute. Again, they're really sparkly. But I love the gray. So I think it's going to be between these and the black ones, and I kind of like the black ones a little bit better, but you never know until you try on. All right, let's get to the try on. Okay, so here is the first sweater. I mean, it's cute, it's soft. I like the sleeves. Yeah, it's really soft. So this is a possibility. The color is not something I normally wear, but I think it's cute. Yeah, no. I look like I'm ready to go back to the 80s. One, it's too short. It's definitely heavy for this weather. I'm like sweating trying these sweaters on. But yeah, it would be cute for somebody, just not me. Okay, this is for sure a win. I love the mock turtleneck. I love the color. I just like love the fit. It's baggy but still a little bit fitted. It's lightweight. I really like this. I think it'd be really cute paired with a big pair of hoops. This is yes. Side note, this is a no. It's shedding everywhere. These little popcorn balls are everywhere. I just can't do that. So this is definitely gonna go back. Here's this like grandfather sweater. It's cute. It's not anything. It's a little itchy. And I have a Barefoot Dreams one, like literally this color and kind of this style that I like a little bit better. So this is a no. Also, it could be cute if you buttoned it up. That's how it was. It's just a little long for me buttoned up. It just makes me look even shorter. So, okay. I thought this could be super cute. And I may try it in the next size up. But look, watch. Like this hangs down. So when you put your arms in, you like see the pocket underneath. Like, that is no good. It's because it's like a separate piece. I don't know that the function of this thing was really that smart. So I don't know, you guys, weird. This is actually cute. I actually don't really love the stripes. I'm wondering if they have it in a different color. It could be cute. I don't know, you guys. I can't decide about this one. Okay, so here is this top. I thought it could be so cute, but it definitely pulls too much in my chest. It's like so tight. So this is a no, but it's really cute. Lastly is this suede jacket, which is kind of cute. It's really lightweight because it's like a faux suede and it's stretchy, so it's actually kind of comfortable and I feel like pretty flattering. So this might be a yes, even though I hated it at first. So it's actually pretty cute. Okay, so now for the shoes. So I'm doing this vlog style because again my tripod is broken. So let's take a look. I'm gonna try one shoe on just so you can kind of get a taste of all three. Okay, so here's the black ones that I'm kind of loving. So those are pretty cute. Can't really decide. Here's these sparkly ones, which are a definite no. And then here are these. I don't love these gray ones, but I'm kind of digging these black ones. Could be kind of cute, right? Okay, so overall I definitely have some thinking to do. I'm kind of thinking towards these black shoes. Definitely the BLANKNYC jacket. I really like that on. I did not think I was gonna like it. And then possibly I think that green sweater. Those are the three things I think I'm keeping. So overall, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you're not done so yet, I can talk, I swear. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye.